Home Warrior Nation. So it is time. You've seen the tutorial, but if you haven't, hit the link below, see the tutorial, and come back, or just do the dance with us. But either way, it is time for our The Lion Sleeps Tonight Dance Challenge. So, get your warrior mode ready, because we're going to begin the challenge right now. Monkeys! Hush, my darling, don't fear, my darling, the lion sleeps tonight. Elephants! Boys and girls, so that was our dance challenge for the day. Again, get someone in your family to join you, have some fun with it, and remember, every single day, it's very important that you get 20 minutes of non-stop cardiovascular fitness. Dancing, jumping, exercising, whatever you want to do, have fun with it, but it's time to go. Boys and girls, I'll see you soon with our next challenge. And remember, are you ready to be the physical education fitness champion of your home? And if you are, then come on, let's get it.